We see here a game what I've made with Unity and with MQTT connectivity. So this is a multiplayer game, and the information of all of the players is distributed via a MQTT broker in the cloud, in that case HiveMQ. So let's join another game, another player again. And now we see already a second player appears in the radar. Now let's move around a little bit. Here is the other player. I see. So you move around. And you see already when I move the first player, the second player sees the current state of the other player. And now it can try to shoot him. And we see also the laser. And yeah, I got him. You see, the information is distributed from one player to the other by MQTT in the cloud. So in that case, we don't have Internet of Things, we have player, Internet of Players. And what we also have added here is, you see it here in the front, data from WinCC Unified SCADA system. And I will move forward. And here we see the current power consumption of my hope. Also the chart, and here we see a simulated value which goes up and down, and that you can trust me, this data comes from WinCC Unified. Here we have the WinCC Unified screen. You see the changing tag on the right side, which changes also on the left side in the Unity application. And I can also control the speed of the wind turbine here. From WinCC Unified, I can increase the speed and I can decrease the speed. So this is some kind of a connectivity from Unity 3D to MQTT and also to WinCC Unified.